all smiles at the Melbourne Pavilion tonight. Khalid Baker got himself a Victorian title, mate. You must be delighted, mate.
I'm very wrapped, mate. 13 years in prison, and it's taken me a year after I've been released to get to where I am. And I'm very happy and very excited, and I'm very happy that Australia's getting behind me and letting me do what I do best, and bigger, better things to come. I've got the Victorian title now as an Australian, then it's the world title.
That's it, man. And look, you know, you touched on it, 13 years in jail, so, you know, a long time to, you know, pain and suffering.
For a crime I didn't even commit.
Exactly. And, I mean, moments like this, it must really just make, you know, nights like this just so much more special after what you've been through.
100% money can't buy the feeling that you have, and I'm just very grateful and happy with where I am, and for everyone out there, follow me on Instagram, Khalid Baker, Facebook, Khalid Baker 87, and yeah, I love more support and Australian backing me, because you know what, we have the best fighters in the world, and we're going to go out there and show the world that what we really have, and we should be supporting each other, not being against each other. That's my thing.
And for yourself, mate, now 4-0, have you seen a bigger following than, you know, someone so early in their career, mate? This is like a world title.
Every time I fight, I make it like it's a world title, you know? You never know when the end is, and make sure that you appreciate every time you're in the ring, and I'll do.
And we heard you post-fight talk about, you know, Brian Armatruda and the opportunity that, you know, he's sort of given you on Big Time Boxing. Tell me about your relationship with him and what he's done for you.
I came out and I spoke to him and I said, listen, I know what I got, just give me the opportunity. He said, I'd love to give you the opportunity, kid, and he gave me the opportunity, and I got a 7-fight deal with him, and I'll be signing up again straight away by the end of the year. We'll go for the Australian title, and yeah, I love Big Time Boxing. I can't see myself anywhere else.
Khalid, a truly inspiring story as someone who, you know, has you know, gone through so much, and, you know, you touched on the fact that, you know, went to prison for a crime that you didn't commit. So, you know, what a feel-good story for, you know, Australian boxing, mate. And we're super proud of you and can't wait to see what's next.
Yeah, thank you very much. And this is the guy I just fought, and very lovely man, and he's got a very lovely corner, and I hope the best for him in his career, and just want to say thank you very much.
Thank you.